Hey everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this gorgeous wavy blue wig from WECAN store on Amazon.com. So if you're interested in this blue unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this gorgeous blue ombre unit from WECAN store on Amazon.com, and they've reached out to me to review this unit for you all. So this is a middle part synthetic wig, and this wig is so vibrant and so beautiful. I love the colors so much. This is one of my favorite colors as well. I do love blue, so blue is right up my alley. The color is gorgeous, and of course the length is perfect for this unit. So before I get into my thoughts, let me give you the specs of this unit. So this unit comes with 2 combs at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps, and it does come with a little piece of lace right at the front of the hairline right here. It is a middle part unit, so you can definitely go ahead and add your powder to the parting space. That's what I did with mine, and I also put a little mousse through the hair so that the flyaways can be, tamed. So this will give off this nice wavy look. I am feeling this color so much. I do love how beautiful it looks. This is a close-up of the waves, so the waves are quite nice, and right at the ends here it is a lighter blue, so it gives off that nice ombre finish. I do like that a lot. In terms of the length of this unit is around 28 inches, so it is quite long. It has surpassed my bust line, so it's pretty much almost at the hip. For me, I am 5'4", so it will be a lot longer on me. If you are a little bit taller, or if you're shorter, it will be longer. Or if you're taller, it will be a little bit shorter, but not that much. So that's the length of this unit right here. And also the standard size cap is 22.5 inches, which is this cap, so you will have a comfortable fit, and you can always use the adjustable straps if you need to make it a little bigger or smaller, if you will. And this unit comes in a variety of other colors as well. It comes in a 613 blonde, and it does come with other styles as well on this listing. So once I supply you with the link, you could see which ones would be the best for you. So those are the colors in there. They do have bright ones, and they do have regular colors if you're not into bright colors. But you know me, I had to pick a gorgeous blue color for you all to show it off, and of course give you inspiration for the spring that is coming, so that way you can get yourself prepared and get all the fabulous wigs before they get sold out. So if you are interested in this wig, please be sure to check the link down below. Thank you so much WECAN here for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms, as well as subscribe, like, and share this video, and click on that notification bell so you'll be notified of any other future uploads that I have on this channel. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.